In this video, I'll show you how to use a clickable HTML email signature on your mobile Gmail. To use it on your mobile Gmail, you first need to install it on Gmail Web or desktop Gmail. Open your HTML signature in your browser, select the entire signature by pressing Ctrl+A, right-click anywhere within the highlighted area, and select Copy. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. You'll see a drop-down menu. Select See All Settings. Keep scrolling down until you find the Signature section. Click on Create New and give your signature a name. I'll call mine Text Signature. Now you'll see a field where you can paste your signature. Paste it there. Below the email signature field, you'll see the signature preferences, like the default signature option. Select the new signature you created from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down and click Save Changes. Start composing a new email, and you should see your new signature in the email body. From now on, the signature will be included with every email you send. Now move to your mobile phone. Open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and go to gmail.com. Tap on the three horizontal line menu, go to Settings, uncheck Mobile Signature, and click Apply. Now compose a new email and send a test mail to yourself to make sure everything works fine. To make this even easier, add Gmail to your home screen. Go to the menu by tapping on the three dots, select Add to Home Screen, and it'll be added like an app icon. You can open it anytime with one tap, just like the Gmail app. That's it. Your clickable HTML email signature is now ready to use on mobile Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.